This MDS camshaft and lifter kit is perfect for the 5.7 Hemi-powered 2009 to 2016 Ram 1500 owner who needs an all-inclusive, affordable solution to getting their truck back up and running the way it was when it was new. Whether you're doing preventative maintenance or replacing broken or tired components, this kit gives you pretty much everything you need for an affordable price. MDS, or the Multi-Displacement System, has been a huge point of discussion with Ram owners, and it's sometimes the bane of the Hemi owner's existence too. If your truck has been acting up or you just want to get ahead of potential issues, this kit comes with pretty much everything you need to get your engine back to factory fresh. The big pieces here are going to be the new roller lifters and the camshaft. Now these are built to OE specs, so they will essentially be like-for-like replacements of your originals. You also get a slew of new gaskets, including new head gaskets, exhaust manifold gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and plenty more. Also included in the kit are new head bolts. Since you're going to have to remove the heads to do the gaskets and the lifters and all that, you'll need new ones. These are torque to yield, so your originals cannot be reused. Basically, all that to say, this is a very complete kit that gives you pretty much everything you need to do the job, and some while you're in there pieces as well. All the parts are made from the same type of materials as your original, and again, everything is built to OE specifications. The camshaft is made of steel, you've got the right keyway and everything on there as well. All the gaskets are made using OE spec rubber, so everything should last you a good long while. Essentially, it will be just as long lasting as all of your original components. Pricing comes in at about $700 for the kit, which for everything you get here, that's a really good price. Now, everything that comes in the kit is not on the table simply because there wouldn't be room for it. Piecing all of this together would take you a lot of time and would likely end up costing you a good bit more in the long run, especially if you're like me and you end up forgetting something. And if you try to get it all from your Ram dealer, you're going to spend a fortune. So if you want the easy button solution to getting your truck back up and running for a really good price, this is going to be it. Installation will get a 3 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job is going to take you at least the better part of a day. If you've never pulled heads before, it is an involved job, and in order to get the camshaft out, you're going to have to disassemble pretty much the entirety of the front clip of the truck. This is an involved job, so just be sure you've got a good handle on what you need, what you've got to do, and you set yourself aside plenty of time. If you're not too familiar with doing engine work like this, I would highly recommend getting a professional to install these parts for you, or at least getting a couple sets of hands who know what they're doing. It will make quicker work of this job. But again, this is something you can tackle at home. You're just going to need some tools, and you're going to need quite a bit of time to do it. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the MDS Camshaft and Lifter Kit fitting 2009 through 2016 5.7 liter Hemi-powered Ram 1500s. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.